In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Google Chrome extensions. If Chrome has been feeling slow, crashing, or acting strangely, turning off specific extensions without deleting them is a quick, safe way to troubleshoot. Disabling is temporary and reversible, and it leaves the extension installed so you can turn it back on anytime. First, here's the most reliable way to do it from the extensions page. Open Google Chrome. In the top right corner, click the three dots to open the menu. Hover over Extensions, then choose Manage Extensions. If you prefer, you can jump straight there by typing Chrome/extensions into the address bar and pressing Enter. On this page, you'll see all your installed extensions. Find the one you want to pause and flip its switch to the off position. When the toggle turns gray, that extension is disabled. It won't run in the background, it won't modify pages, and its toolbar icon may disappear, but it remains installed. Your settings for that extension are preserved, and you can come back to this page anytime to change it. Changes take effect immediately, no restart required. There's also a quick access method from the toolbar. Click the small puzzle piece icon at the top right to open the Extensions menu, then select Manage Extensions. This takes you to the same page where you can turn the toggle off for any extension you want to pause. It's a fast route if you're already working in the browser and need to make a quick adjustment. When you're ready to use the extension again, return to the same extensions page and flip the switch back on. You don't need to reinstall anything. The moment the toggle turns blue, it's active again and will start working on supported sites. A few important notes before we wrap up. Disabling an extension is temporary and reversible. Removing an extension is permanent and requires reinstalling it from the Chrome Web Store if you change your mind. Also, if your computer is managed by a school or workplace, some extensions may be locked down by your administrator. In those cases, the toggle might be grayed out, or you may see a message indicating it's managed. Finally, remember that not all extensions are trustworthy. If you don't recognize one, or it asks for unusual permissions, consider disabling it. Fewer extensions can improve speed, stability, privacy, and security. That's all there is to it. Now you know how to quickly disable and re-enable Chrome extensions to keep your browser running smoothly.